You stack chairs in the back of a social club on a Tuesday night. The room smells like espresso and cigarettes. You don't ask what they're talking about in the back room. You were told this once. You understood it before you were told. Your first real job: deliver an envelope to a man at a diner in Bensonhurst. You don't know what is inside. You are told the address. Your neighborhood has a structure you grew up inside without understanding it. The man at the barbershop knows your uncle. The capo's driver speaks to you for the first time in month 3. Not the capo, the driver. You understand it without explanation. Your day job is at a trucking company the family controls. The paycheck is real. The taxes are real. You run numbers in month 4, collecting bets for the bookmaking operation. 8 stops, each one a regular. You memorize the names and the amounts. Your first collections job: a restaurant owner is behind 3 weeks on his loan. You go with a senior associate. He speaks. You stand. Your memory is your only record. That was the first operational rule. You learned it before anyone said it. Your deliveries cover 12 locations in year 1. You never go to the same one twice in the same week. Your protocol in year 1: payphones for anything that matters. Your personal phone for things that don't. $800 a week from the family. More from your own earner work. You don't spend it on visible things. You are questioned in month 6. 2 detectives on the sidewalk outside the club. You are cooperative. You say your name. The capo invites you to sit in month 8. Not through the driver, directly. You sit. He asks you 2 questions. Your assignments become more specific in month 10. The envelope deliveries have weight now. Not money. What the money represents. Your family thinks you work hard and got lucky. The car you drive is your cousin's. You are tested in month 11. You know it is a test before it finishes. You answer correctly. Month 13. A senior member tells you the captain is satisfied. You are being considered. You don't ask what for. You walk home in the cold. You've been waiting 13 months for this. It feels like training. The ceremony is brief. A candle. A saint's card. The relationship is the business. You are learning this. Your relationship to the room changes. Not dramatically, subtly. The city passes at the speed of a decision. You have associates now, 3 of them. They earn for you. You earn for the captain. Your loan sharking book: 11 clients. Combined principal: $240,000. VIG at 3% per week. Your gambling operation runs in a back room of a plumbing supply company. Tuesday and Thursday nights. 20 players. The house takes 10%. Your tribute to the captain: $600 of every 1,000 you earn. Not negotiated, not invoiced. Your captain doesn't ask how you earned it. Your first sit-down: a dispute over a territory boundary with another crew. 3 men in a room. Your neighborhood knows what you are now, not explicitly, through inference. The city doesn't know you yet. It will. Your tribute goes to the capo every Friday before 6. The timing is not casual. The timing is the discipline. Your first dispute resolution as a made man: 2 associates over a territory boundary. You give the decision in 3 sentences. Your neighborhood sees one version of you. Your institution sees another. You carry both versions without visible seam. That is not a skill. It is a requirement. The FBI opens a file on your crew in year 2. You know the car before they change it. You change nothing about your behavior. Your lawyer is paid by the family. He explains what can be used and what can't. You learn it the same way. Your first enforcement order: a borrower who stopped paying and started talking. You give the instruction. You are 3 blocks away when it is carried out. One of your associates gets pinched in year 2. You find out 20 minutes before you'd find out through the news. Your captain asks your opinion in year 3, on a specific matter, not in a meeting. Privately, you give it directly. He considers it. Year 3. You move through the institution like someone who belongs to it. Because you do. Your corruption network at soldier level: 2 police contacts, 1 city inspector. The payments are regular. The relationships are professional. You don't socialize with them. The family's construction operations use 3 unions. You manage 1 relationship at soldier level. The arrangement is simple. The jobs go to family-connected contractors. Your protection means something. An associate of yours has a problem with another crew. You make 1 phone call. Your maid's status is sufficient. Year 4. You have never been indicted. 1 cooperated. The city doesn't know you yet. It will. The family's social events are also the family's organizational meetings. You learn more at the wedding than you learn in any back room. Your captain gives you a job in year 4. 3 weeks of preparation. 4 people involved. Your crew's weekly numbers run through your head on Sunday nights. Every man's earnings, every cut, every debt owed. Your accounting is never on paper. Your union relationship requires a quarterly review. You conduct it over lunch in public. The decisions are operational. Your waste hauling company runs 2 books, one for the IRS, one for the operation. Year 6. Your captain promotes you to capo. You run the crew now, 12 soldiers and 7 associates. Your Monday crew meetings run 40 minutes. Each soldier reports his week. You ask 2 or 3 questions per M, and $40,000 a week. Before tribute, you send 20% upward. You keep 30. Your legitimate businesses, a waste hauling company and a concrete firm, both generate real revenue. Both also generate unreported income. You don't. You control a Teamsters local through 3 intermediaries. The local delivers work to your contractors. Your contractors pay into the fund. Your construction company wins 2 city contracts in year 7. The contracts are legitimate. Every person in this room has already made their calculation. 2 of your soldiers have a dispute over a territory overlap. You sit them both down. You listen to each for 5 minutes. 1 of your operations gets hit in year 7. 3 associates arrested. You have them represented within 90 minutes. The underboss delivers a message from the boss in year 7. You listen to all of it before responding. A businessman approaches through an intermediary. He wants to operate in your territory without friction. You agree on terms. Your wife doesn't ask questions you'd have to answer carefully. You establish that early. She knows the shape of your life without knowing its contents. Your first commission meeting, 5 families in 1 room. The meeting settles 3 disputes and allocates 2 territories. You don't speak unless asked. The FBI surveillance photograph arrives through a contact. You are on it. Entering a building you shouldn't be photographed. Entering your communication protocol. Nothing by phone for anything that matters. Nothing in the club for anything sensitive. Nothing written. Your political network at captain level. A councilman, a port authority administrator, a DAS investigator. Each one paid through layers. A soldier is questioned by the FBI in year 9. You debrief him for 2 hours afterward. You are not asking what he said. Your crew dinners happen 4 times a year. They're not optional. They're not social events. Year 10. You walk the same streets you grew up on. The geography is identical. Your relationship to everything else is not. Your attorney briefs you quarterly on federal activity. You listen for 3 things: who they've approached, what they've offered, what they can prove. Your crisis responses at underboss level take 1 phone call. The call is under 90 seconds. You are insulated from every step after the first. Your commission dinners happen twice a year. They're social on the surface. The real business is in the parking lot afterward. Your succession plan has been in place since year 16. Your underboss can run the institution without your input. The boss names you underboss in year 11. The conversation lasts 8 minutes. There's no ceremony. You run the captains now. Their weekly meetings come to you. Their disputes come to you. Their requests for commission arbitration come through you. The federal case against the family enters its 3rd year. You have 3 sources inside the investigation. You adjust the protocol accordingly. The consigliere advises on consequence, not on action. You've learned to hear his advice as a probability calculation, not a recommendation. Every room you meet in is swept before you enter. Every meeting is structured, so nothing discussed could be charged as conspiracy if recorded. Your commission appearances, 3 in year 12. Each one a dispute arbitration. You've developed a reputation for presenting facts without visible emotion. Your family's operations, 21 active crews. 3 legitimate business fronts generating real revenue. You know the structure of all of it. A captain cooperates in year 12. You know before the family does. You've positioned someone inside the investigation for exactly this contingency. The federal indictment hits in year 13, 42 counts, 9 members named. You are not named. You manage the response to the indictment through 4 intermediaries. No phone calls. The city passes at the speed of a decision. Your institution operates across the prison walls. The men who are in still matter. Their information is still current. Their relationships still function. Year 14. You live in a house in New Jersey that is registered to a trust. Your neighbors are a dentist and a middle school principal. Your meetings are swept before you enter. That protocol has been in place for 11 years. You've never found a device. Your consigliere manages the captain's loyalty at the relational level. Your underboss manages their operations. You manage neither directly. That is the design. Your mornings belong to you. 6 a.m. at the club before anyone arrives. Coffee, the room before the institution, fills it. Your walk home looks the same as it always has. The same street, the same corner. Year 15. The boss calls you twice this month. You understand what that means without him saying it. Your transition takes 6 months of quiet maneuvering. 3 captains need to be managed. 2 commission families need to be consulted. You enter, and the room stands. Not because you asked, because the institution requires it now. Your first commission meeting as boss. You've attended 12 of these. It is knowing you are the last decision in your family's chain. Your tribute arrives through the underboss. You don't count it. Your accountant manages the distribution. The money is real. Your relationship to it is theoretical. Your decision-making at boss level. 12 minutes for a major resolution. 3 people in the room. Nothing written. Your name is in every federal filing now. The surveillance teams rotate outside your locations. Your attorney reviews every subpoena. The men you came up with are now senior soldiers. 1 is a captain. 2 are still on the street. Your Sundays are social and operational simultaneously. The dinner is real. The relationship is the business. You are learning this. Your position on the commission carries more weight than your family's size would suggest. Your credibility there was built across 7 years. Precise statements. An informant surfaces in year 17. You learn about him before the federal case does. The federal investigation loses its primary source. You stand in the room after everyone leaves on a Tuesday night. It is the same room. The espresso machine is new. You think about succession in year 18. Not because you are planning to leave, because the machine requires continuity plans. Your unstructured hour is midnight. When the house is quiet and the protocol doesn't apply, you use the hour the same way every night. Year 22. You don't carry the operation in your hands anymore. You carry the structure. Your involvement in daily operations. 1 decision per week that requires your specific authority. Everything else is handled below. You have not committed a direct act since year 15. Every decision since then has traveled through a structure requiring multiple links to reach you. Your authority at the commission is now measured by what you don't need to say. The other bosses have watched you for 20 years. The federal case has been building for 4 years. The chart on their wall has your name at the top. A man you've known since year 2 is cooperating. He has been inside the structure for 20 years. Your exposure from the cooperation significant, not fatal. Your lawyer maps 12 specific vulnerabilities and 14 specific protections. You listen to all of it. That is not power. What you have at year 22. Power requires someone to exercise it. What you have is structural. Your institution runs. Somewhere in Brooklyn, on a Tuesday night, the social club is open. The city passes at the speed of a decision. A 22-year-old walks in for the first time. Your version of him was somebody's cousin, somebody's neighbor. Your version of him thought the same thing. About respect. About being part of something that matters in a neighborhood, that rewards belonging. He doesn't know what the machine selects for. He thinks it selects for the right family connections, for the right attitude. It selects for all of those things, and for something else, something that takes years to name.